Trista Ainsworth with Joyful Minimalism. I am a professional organizer and I'm welcoming you to day 3 of our journey together. Day 3 is all about connecting to everything in life and finding that we are inwardly connected to everything around us, both the seen and unseen. And that's a beautiful thing to think about. One of the most important things to remember is to trust your inner feelings on something. If something doesn't feel right, then it is not right for you. Be very aware of those gut feelings and follow them. One of the reasons I love to be outside is I can really be present with nature, and this is something that helps you become more aware. You can focus on the birds singing, or even that garbage truck you can hear in the background, or someone's dog that I hear now. So you can focus on whatever you would like, and that helps you become more aware of the present moment and everything that's going on inside of you and outside of you. My intention for you today is to really feel into life and watch for the signs and signals and sounds and feelings of energy all around you. I'd love to know how that's going for you, or how the rooms in your homes are feeling. So feel free to comment below, and you can also visit my website, www.expansive.me, for more information on what I do to help in your home. Have a wonderful day today.